the ultimate guide to wilderness survival. Venturing into the wild can be exhilarating but requires preparation. Understanding the basics of survival is crucial to ensure safety when nature is your only companion. First, assess your situation calmly. Check for injuries and ensure you're in a safe location. This initial assessment sets the stage for effective decision-making. Finding or creating shelter is your top priority. Look for natural formations or build a simple structure with branches and leaves to protect against the elements. Next, focus on sourcing water. Flowing streams or rivers are ideal, but if unavailable, collect rainwater or dew. Boil or filter to purify. Starting a fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Gather dry tinder and kindling. Use matches or friction methods if you're without a lighter. Food is critical for energy. Identify edible plants, fish, or small game. However, ensure your choices are safe by cross-referencing with a reliable guide. Navigation is key if you need to move. Use natural indicators like the sun, stars, or moss growth, and always keep track of your starting point. Signal for help whenever possible. Create visible signals with fire, bright clothing, or reflective materials. Sound signals can also attract attention from afar. Stay aware of your surroundings. Knowledge of local wildlife can prevent unwanted encounters and help in identifying potential food sources. Packing a basic survival kit beforehand can be a lifesaver. Include items like a knife, compass, and fire starter, which can greatly enhance your chances of survival. Pace your physical exertion to conserve energy. Rest when needed and maintain a steady pace to prevent exhaustion, which can lead to poor decision-making. Stay positive and keep morale high. Mental resilience is as important as physical survival skills. Staying calm and focused increases your chances of making it out safely. Finally, always inform someone of your plans before heading into the wild. Knowing someone is aware of your whereabouts can make a world of difference in emergencies. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and click the link in the description below the video for more helpful solutions. Thank you.